Alright, if you watched my last video out at the campground for our shakedown cruise, I'm now back home, and if you remember, I talked about the problem with this jackknife sofa in the Murphy bed in this Nano Apex 208 BHS, and that is when the jackknife sofa is down and you've got your mattress on here, you've got a drop down where the sofa is. So when the bed is down and there's pressure on it, your mattress actually drops, and that is hard on the back. So I'm going to take this jackknife sofa off today and raise it up about 1.5 inches, the width of a 2x4, and see if that'll make the difference in comfort on this bed. So first thing I'm going to do is run the slide out. Okay, I had a trash can in there and it did not clear. That was that sound. So anyway, I got the trash can out. Good to know that the alarm on there works. And that was the culprit right there. And I am newbie enough with the slide that I did not check that side. Lesson learned. Onto the sofa bed. So let's put this back up. As you can see, or maybe you can, there appears to be 3 screws on each side. So we'll see if we can get them out. I don't know if this... Oh yeah, that'll fit. One more back here. But I don't know that I can get to that with the drill. That's the hard one to get to. Let's see here. Oh, that's the way to do it. Right there. And then we'll do the same on the other side. Jackknife sofa is out of the way, and that is what the platform looks like. So let me go find a 2x4. I did not have a 2x4 in the garage, but I had a 2x2, and that's perfect. That's even better. So I'm going to cut it to length. I measured 28 inches. That'll kind of cover the whole platform. And then I'm going to stain it. I'm going to stain it gray. Have some gray stain. Be perfect for the interior, kind of cover up the raw wood a little bit. classic gray. Okay, we will let that dry. Okay, the stain job is just about dry enough to work with anyway. So here I go. That's kind of what it looks like. Not too much different than the, it'll kind of match. I don't know. That's good enough for me. We'll see what the wife says when she sees it. But can you see that? Okay, so I have marked where my screw holes from the sofa go back into were, so I missed those points. Let me come out with this one a little bit. And I'm just going to go back with the sofa into those. Incidentally, I discovered that the earlier part of my video, I did not have my remote mic, wireless mic, turned on, so hopefully the audio is okay. Let's put some pilot holes in here. Okay, and we can do it now. Okay, my friends, that's what I call good and tight. We'll do the other side. All right. Another good one. Okay, I just want to make sure that everything's going to be square to put her down right here. And it looks good. Okay, that was it. All right, that is screwed down. Let's see how she looks when I pull the bed down. Well, honestly, feels a little high, but I'm sure it'll change after being on it. Maybe not. Oh, I'm bleeding on this. I shouldn't be on here. But anyway, we'll see how we feel about it. I fell earlier, and so I've got a scraped knee and a cut hand and a scraped elbow and a bruised leg with a little abrasion in it. So thankfully we had some hydrogen peroxide in here to get blood off the sheet. I've got the boss looking at it now. It seems high, but like I say, maybe after we lay on it a little bit, it'll go down.
Maybe. Oh God, I gotta pick with dirty feet.
So I just did blood. She got actual dirty feet on there.
But look, I got it out.
Yeah. So that's the best way to get blood out of fabric, hydrogen peroxide. I think we'll actually have to probably sleep in here. And I think that this mattress topper kind of fluffs up where it's folded. And I think that goes down after you lay on it. What do you think?
I think it maybe will be great and maybe won't be. It's hard to tell.
Okay.
I mean, it certainly looks like more than 2 inches. So I think...
Well, a 2x4 is only an inch and a half.
But I think what you're saying about it being pooped up might be correct.
Yeah, because when you look at the side, let me around on that side. When you look at the side right here, it looks perfect. If you can see that, it looks perfect. So I think we're going to be much more close right here. Only time will tell. We'll have to sleep on it and let you know. Okay, thanks for watching. And like I said, we'll just have to sleep on this a couple times. And we'll let you know down in the comments how it works out. But right now, I'm pretty happy with it. And we'll see. Hey, thanks for watching. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you've got any advice for me, leave it in the comments. Thank you.